Have You Seen Birds? By Joanne Oppenheim, and read by Mr. C, the teacher. Have you seen birds? Long-legged tall birds, tiny bug-sized small birds, brightly breasted, gaily crested, meadow tan or fancy fan. Have you seen birds? Have you seen spring birds? Fluffy, cheeping, sleeping, peeping, ever-eating baby birds? Or early summer garden birds? Nestling snugly in the shrubs, pulling worms and snapping grubs, finding food to feed the brood, drinking, singing, splashing, swinging. Have you seen birds? Have you seen autumn birds? Visiting the feeder birds, following the leader birds, leaving in a string birds, coming back in spring birds. Have you seen birds? Have you seen winter birds? Searching snow and tapping bark, perching puffed in freezing dark. Winter birds need lots of feed, scraps of fat and sacks of seed. Have you seen snowbirds? Have you seen woodland birds? Lying low, shy birds, trying hard to hide birds. Walking upside down birds, acrobatic clown birds, darting, drilling, piping, trilling. Listen, hear the warble of the wildwood birds. Woo-hoo! Have you seen the night birds? Moved by moonlight bright birds, scaring rabbits into holes, hunting bats and rats and moles. Have you seen the haunting woo of the hunting nighttime birds? Have you heard town birds, rapping at the bark birds, cooing in the park birds, quarreling in a rage birds, tweeting in a cage birds, squealing, squawking, screeching, talking? Have you heard birds? Have you seen farm birds? Scratching, clucking, pecking, strutting, cock-a-doodle barn birds? And on beyond the barn birds, what about the field birds? Field behind the barn birds, cricket catching, berry snatching, whistling from a thorny thistle. Have you seen birds? Have you seen marsh birds, webfoot, paddling water birds, walking with a waddle birds, wading in the reeds? Do you know seabirds? Twisting, drifting, swiftly shifting, searching, skimming, scooping, lifting, soaring by the shore. Or flat-footed fishing birds, fussing, chatting, flipper-flapping, diving for their food. Have you seen these birds? Look up, see the sky birds, flying way up high birds, racing up to space birds, wind wheeling, freedom feeling, diving, dipping, gliding, tipping. Have you seen birds? A band, a flight, a flock of birds. The world is full of lots of birds. Have you seen birds?